1 Thessalonians chapter 3, verses 1 through 5. So when we couldn't stand being separated from you any longer, and could find no way to visit you ourselves, we stayed in Athens and sent Timothy to get you up and about, cheering you on so you wouldn't be discouraged by these hard times. He's a brother and companion in the faith, God's man in spreading the message, preaching Christ. Not that the trouble should come as any surprise to you. You've always known that we're in for this kind of thing. It's part of our calling. When we were with you, we made it quite clear that there was trouble ahead. And now that it's happened, you know what it's like. That's why I couldn't quit worrying. I had to know for myself how you were doing in the faith. I didn't want the Tempter getting to you and tearing down everything we had built up together. Father, how beautiful to see your heart of love and compassion being displayed through Paul. The expression of a father's love and concern for children to grow in life. How wonderful it has been that you have sent people into my life for the very same thing. Thank you for expressing your heart through them, concern for the troubles that we have walked through. And each time I'm able to sit and talk, or talk over the phone, their biggest concern is the foundation that you have settled in me. They have helped me to see that some of these troubles are simply a scheme of the Tempter to tear down the life that Christ so lovingly gave me. Thank you for the fathers you have set in my life. Guide me to be the same for any you would set in my path. Amen.